It is a chicken rib house located in Buro Digital Complex in Seoul. It's always a good restaurant where people line up. It's a griddle, but it's not as spicy as it looks. You can put udon and eat it together. Adding cheese makes it even more delicious. The cheese smells even better. The meat is sweet and really tender. Look at the cheese stretching.
동치미 샷도네.
Potato pancakes are on the side menu. Don't skip the buckwheat noodles. There are two kinds of k-bbq and water k-bbq. Add seasoning and mix. The noodle feeling the fragrant incense. The cool soup can be added. Fried rice is a Korean dessert. You should eat fried rice as a finishing touch to your meal. The staff stir-fry the fried rice at the table.
냠냠 짭짭.